Hadley, what does that mean, pa fessa?
It means don't do that.
What does that mean, fessa?
I want to do it.
Okay. What does that mean, gangu?
Hungry.
Yes. What does Vinny means?
It means come.
Well, where's your bush? Okay. Where's your tet?
My tet is my head.
Yes, your head. Very good. Very good morning.
Bonjour.
Very good.
Yeah.
Very good. Moi vle fessa.
That means I want to do that.
Okay, what does that mean, manger?
Monday means eat.
Very good. Belle, Chevy, Harmony.
Merci.
1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3.
Bonne nuit.
Bonne nuit. That means good night.
Yes. I want to go to school.
Okay. Levle. Ale. Cool.
L'école.
Cool.
L'école. Very close. Hands up. I mean, Harmony. Harmony. I want to go to dance.
Levle ale dancing.
I want to go home.
Levle ale lakai.
I am hungry.
Wengangu.
Boom. I want to eat.
Wengangu. Weng.
Want?
Ale.
No. Want is vle.
Levle.
Mm-hmm.
Gangu.
Manger.
Manger.
Good. What does that mean, manger?
It means just eating.
Yes.
Eat a good.
Hands up. Moi gangu. What does that mean?
It means just hungry.
I'm hungry? Yes. High five. Good job.